I guess it's safe to say this is officially Governor Hope Uzodimma's season. Because honestly, it's been back to back project updates from Imo State. And today it's another big one. According to the Punch newspaper, Governor Uzodimma has just approved a new minimum wage of 104,000 naira for civil servants in the state. Now, wow! Now, let's break it down. The minimum wage has been raised from 76,000 naira to 104,000 naira. Doctors are also getting a major bump from 215,000 naira to 503,000 naira. And teachers, oh yes, teachers in tertiary institutions, their pay is moving from 119,000 naira to 202,000 naira. During a meeting with labor union leaders at Government House Owerri, the governor said something really important. He said, and I quote, "When workers are paid well, productivity rises, families are happier, and the local economy grows." Honestly, that makes sense. More money in workers' hand means more circulation in the economy. And speaking of economy, he revealed that Imo's internally generated revenue has grown from 400 million naira to over 3 billion naira monthly. State allocations have also risen, while the debt profile has dropped from 208 billion naira in 2020 to less than 100 billion naira as of today. That's not all, though. Another critical update from Governor Hope Uzodimma. He has deployed security forces to Okigwe. If you've been following, you know that insecurity in Okigwe has been one of the worst in the country. He's now assuring residents that government is determined to safeguard lives and property in Imo State. Now, here's my thoughts though. I know many of you are thinking this too. I just hope this is not another performative move or photo ops, because truly, the people of Okigwe deserve lasting peace. Those people have suffered enough. Not temporary relief at all. May this effort succeed, and may Imo State be free from all forms of terrorism and insecurity. And finally, let's lighten it up a bit. I stumbled upon the video of the International Conference Center Owerri, and my goodness, this place is massive. Oh. The interior looks world class, well, like something you'd see in Dubai or Johannesburg. Anyway, I believe this is another win for Imo State if it's maintained properly. So yes, workers are smiling in Imo State as we speak. Security is getting attention, so says the governor of Imo State, and infrastructure is looking serious. What do you think though? Is Governor Uzodimma finally putting Imo State on the right track, or is this just another political season move? Let's hear from you.